Hi, I'm Victoria, and in this video I'll show you how to add affiliate links to WordPress. Let's go! An affiliate link is a unique URL assigned to affiliate partner. It usually contains a username or ID that allows tracking the sales the partner generates. These links can be shared on different platforms such as their website, email campaigns, or social media. Every time someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, the affiliate partner gets a commission. Compared to other online ventures, starting with affiliate marketing is relatively simple. If you have a blog or a website, you can create content on a particular topic and include an affiliate link to products that are useful to the reader. So, the first thing you need to do is sign up for affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates. Once you do that, we can go ahead and start adding affiliate links to our website. Let's start with the first method, adding affiliate links to your WordPress site manually. This means we will use WordPress block editor, which is a method that works best if you will only promote a few items. If you plan to promote many products, I recommend using a plugin, as manually adding and maintaining the links can be very time-consuming. But don't worry, we will go over that method later in this video. I'll use Amazon's affiliate program as an example, as it's one of the most popular affiliate programs in the market. With Amazon, the easiest way to manually add affiliate links to your WordPress site is using Amazon Site Stripe. This feature lets you quickly generate affiliate links from any Amazon product page, without having to get into your associate homepage. Let's open our Amazon account in one tab. If you already have the Site Stripe feature enabled, you will see it at the top of your page. This gray-yellow toolbar right here. If you haven't enabled it, go to your Amazon Associates homepage. Click on Tools, select Site Stripe, and then Learn More. Scroll down, and under Display Settings, you will find Display Status. Toggle on, so now it's enabled, which means you are ready to roll. Now let's see how this feature works. Search for a product you want to promote on your website, such as mechanical keyboard. Once you pick it, navigate to the Site Stripe toolbar. Under the Get Links section, choose Text. See how it instantly generates an affiliate link to include on your site? Very handy, right? Notice that there's a tracking ID option here. If you're promoting products on multiple platforms, make sure to adjust this part accordingly. Amazon will generate a different link for each platform. So, if you promote the same product on your website and YouTube, by using different affiliate links, you will be able to track whether it's your site or YouTube channel that drives more clicks and purchases. Okay, so right under it, you will see there are options to use a short or a full link. Either option is good, but I suggest using the short links for social media posts. Sometimes people need to retype the URL into a browser. It's a very long URL. They might not use it and you will lose potential sales. Plus, it's on brand, so your audience will quickly recognize that it's a legit Amazon link, not some suspicious spam site. On the other hand, long links are more suitable for websites, as it's easier to edit them if necessary. For instance, if you change your site's name in the future, you can easily change these long links and add the new website's affiliate ID tags. So let's go with the long link. Click Full Link and copy it. Okay, so I'm going to open my WordPress dashboard in one tab and create a new post for testing purposes. The title will be This Year's Wishlist New Desk Setup, and I'm going to write a sentence here to include the affiliate link. Highlight the text that will become your anchor text. Click the chain icon right here and paste the link. Click three dots icon and you will see the Open in the New Tab option. I suggest enabling it because it provides a better reading experience. This will take visitors to the product page without leaving your site. Then mark it as a sponsored link or advert. This will automatically toggle the no-follow option on as well. And why should we do this? Google Webmaster Guidelines recommend applying no-follow for all affiliate links. This is because if Google crawlers find a bunch of paid links in your posts, which is the case of an affiliate website, it might flag your site as a spam, which is not good for your SEO performance. Now let's go back to the site stripe toolbar. There are a few other options there, like image and the text plus image. If you want to include the product image on your website, this is the feature to do so. Click image. There's the image that will appear on your website and choose a size. I will pick the large one. Copy the HTML code, then go back to your WordPress site. Add a new block and choose Custom HTML. Paste the code we copied there. Click Preview to see what the image looks like in the block editor. If you want to set the image side by side with a body of text, here's how to do it. Click the Add Block icon, then choose Columns to select your preferred variation. Now we have two side-by-side blocks. Let's fill the block on the left with the product image. Simply click the plus icon, choose Custom HTML, then paste the image's HTML code in the available field. Click Preview to see how it will look like. Then, for the right block, click the plus icon and choose Paragraph, so you can add some text. Meanwhile, the other option, Text plus Image, will give you a more sales-oriented product photo. It will display the Amazon logo, the price, and the Shop Now button. The steps to add it to your website are the same as adding an image. As I've mentioned before, if you have lots of affiliate links, it's better to use an affiliate plugin. That's because they help you organize all affiliate links and can also track them automatically, which makes your workflow more efficient. For this video, I'll use a plugin called Easy Affiliate Links. It helps you manage cloaked and non-cloaked affiliate links. In other words, it manages both the shortened rebranded URLs and the long URLs you get directly from the affiliate program. What you need to do first is install and activate the plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Enter Easy Affiliate Links in the search field, and there you see it. So click the Install Now button, and once installation is finished, click Activate. You will see that we now have a new Affiliate Links menu in the sidebar. Hover over it and select Manage. Let's take care of the links first. You will see a table with categories, name, clicks, and the short link columns. Here is where you can find an overview of all the affiliate links you're managing with this plugin. Hit the Create Link button to add a new link. These three fields under the Organization section are not visible to visitors. You can fill the name field with the affiliate program name, merchant name, or campaign name. Anything that enables you to identify the link. In the description field, I'm going to put a short description of the product as an example. The categories field is to group links. You can add new categories or choose from your existing list. Next, specify if your link type is the text or HTML code. Then, paste the affiliate link in the link destination URL. This plugin also provides some link cloaking options. If you choose to cloak affiliate link, it will show up to the visitors as yourwebsite.com/recommend instead of the full link you got from the affiliate program. However, some affiliate programs do not allow this, including Amazon, so I'll choose Do Not Cloak Affiliate Link. And since we are not using link cloaking, we can skip the short link select field. Then for the default link text, provide the clickable text for this link. You can also add multiple variants. Lastly, choose to open the affiliate link in the new tab. For the nofollow part, choose Use Default. Now that everything is set, let's add the link to your post. I'll create a new post and add a sentence here. Highlight the mechanical keyboard text, then click the affiliate link icon. Then a pop-up will appear. You can just click on a corresponding link or click the drop-down menu under the text column to use custom text. Provide a new link text here and click OK. See how your highlighted text has changed into the new link text. If we click on an affiliate link we just added, you will see that we can edit or unlink it by clicking on these icons. And that's how you add affiliate links to WordPress. Depending on the volume of affiliate links that your site has, you can either add the links manually via WordPress block editor or use a plugin for a better workflow. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience in starting an affiliate website. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more helpful videos about website development. See you next time!